This first method is for Intel. Go to the other methods if you have an AMD or NVIDIA graphics card. Right click on the Windows icon in the bottom left and then click on Device Manager. Once that opens up, we're going to expand display adapters and then we're going to see which graphics card that we have. Then we're going to right click on it and click on Update Driver. And then click on Search automatically for drivers. If it says this, then click on Search for updated drivers on Windows Update. And then when this pops up, just do check for updates and see if you have any. If that does not work, head over to the website which will be in the description. This is for Intel. You're going to download this and then it will automatically scan and update for you. For AMD, you want to head over to the link in the description and then you want to select your graphics card from this list of options. So for example, I'll just do this one and then click on Submit. And then this page should come up. Choose your operating system and then you want to download the driver and install it. For NVIDIA, head over to this website and then you want to choose whichever graphics card that you have and then click on Search. And then you can download the latest driver. You can also download GeForce Experience, and when you open it up, you can head over to drivers and then click on check for updates, and you can automatically download it right here.